Welcome you all. Today we are here with another phrasal verb, and that is come by. Come by, which means come by something to get something, especially something that is hard to get. Which we could say that something which is very hard, but we get it very easily. इसको हम उर्दू में कोई चीज़ इत्तफाकन पाना या अचानक से कोई चीज़ सूझना कह सकते हैं. As it is there into this picture, how we present it, how we are going to make sentences like he came by this innovative idea of making money. Now, who came by something very innovative for making money? So, how we are going to use it, this phrasal verb, into this sentence? Here is another sentence. How did you come by such a beautiful house? So once again, we have used here come by. This collection of phrasal verbs is very important for all the competitive examinations. It is first year, second year, MA, MSc, BS, or for other types of competitive exams.